Just because you've looked, it doesn't mean that it's safe to leap. Look again before taking a big jump. I'm Jeff Jower for Planet Pulse.
And I'm Rick Levine. On this Wednesday, July 31st. We have the moon moving into kind of jumpy, restless Gemini this morning. And yet that just sets the tone for what is ultimately a very jumpy, uneven progression day, but a day when we could actually dive into the swimming pool before we see there's no water in it.
Well, and sometimes that will lead to a broken neck. However, there are times when taking leaps is the only way we're going to get anywhere interesting. And what Rick is talking about here is Mars, the planet of action, which is normally cautious and self-protective Cancer. Tonight, Mars makes a stressful 90-degree square with impulsive, electrifying Uranus. That's a very, very explosive energy.
Yes, and what's interesting here, Jeff, is that Uranus is in Aries for the long haul, for 7 years. Uranus is in Aries, and that's Mars' that's Mars' sign. And so we look at Mars in its sign of Cancer now, where it doesn't express itself very easily. There's a sense of Mars in Cancer getting angry but hot under the collar, but the collar singeing before anything's expressed. And so what happens is that we theoretically have been building up anger or resentment or annoyance over the past couple of weeks with Mars moving in Cancer now. And today, as Mars hits that trigger point and it squares Uranus, it's like we can explode. The lightning can strike and anything can happen.
Well, I think if we give ourselves permission to break rules somewhere, we're not going to be destructive about it. If we have a place to put this anti-authoritarian or pattern-breaking energy, I think it's safer than repressing it. I'm Jeff Jower.
And for Planet Pulse, I'm Rick Levine.